Tonton Malele takes Papua New Guinea by storm. A musical odyssey from a tiny island, Lihir Island, to PNG, the South Pacific, and the world. In the vibrant tapestry of Papua New Guinea's music scene, one name is currently echoing louder than the beat of a kundu drum, Tonton Malele. From the rugged highlands to the sun-kissed beaches, his melodies have become the soundtrack of the nation, conquering the hearts of listeners and climbing the charts like a determined mountaineer. With an impressive tally of 19 songs gracing the top 100 on Papua New Guinea's Apple Music, Tonton Malele isn't just making waves. He's orchestrating a tsunami of musical fervor. It's like he's playing hopscotch with the rankings, leaping from number 84 with Sore Pellis, all the way up to the coveted throne of number 1 with Nung Yachting. Talk about a musical roller coaster. But let's pause for a moment and appreciate the quirky, colorful journey through the charts. Simul Purple at number 75. Is that a song or a secret code for a tropical cocktail recipe? And what about Making Me Worry at number 41? Is Tonton Malele doubling as a musical therapist, curing our worries one catchy tune at a time? As we delve deeper into the playlist, it's clear that Tonton Malele isn't just singing about rainbows and butterflies. Balamaris, at number 45, has us pondering the mysteries of the universe while tapping our feet to the rhythm. And Picanini Nyo Allen, at number 7. Is that an invitation to a children's party or a deep dive into Papua New Guinean culture? Either way, count us in. But amidst all the toe-tapping and head-bobbing, there's a deeper story unfolding. Tonton Malele isn't just an artist. He's a cultural ambassador, weaving tales of love, loss, and longing into his music. Whether it's the soulful strains of Lunambare at number 12 or the anthemic chant of Ja at number 11, there's something for everyone in his musical tapestry. And let's not forget the infectious energy of Go Weh Now at number 5, the ultimate anthem for when you need to bid farewell to your worries and dance like nobody's watching. Because let's face it, life is too short for dull playlists and dreary days. So, as Tonton Malele continues to serenade the airwaves of Papua New Guinea, let's raise our coconut shells and salute to this musical maestro. From Sore Pellis to Nung Yachting, he's not just climbing the charts, he's conquering hearts and spreading joy one infectious melody at a time. Here's to the rhythm of life, Papua New Guinea style, vibrant, eclectic, and always ready for a dance party. Please, if you enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Much love and stay blessed.